Hey guys, this is a very quick unboxing of a Realme DIZO Gopods D. This is a retail unit which I got from Flipkart. I had ordered it yesterday and got it in less than 24 hours. This may be the first retail unboxing which you are watching, so let's quickly unbox. As we can go in, we get to see the Realme DIZO Gopods D. The box is pretty nice and the price mentioned is 2499. Let's quickly unbox this. Before that, we can get to see some good specifications which I think will justify the price. As we open, we get to see a user manual which I don't think anyone reads. Let's keep it aside. These are some extra ear tips which you may require, and here is a charging cable. This is type A to type B, doesn't matter. And here is the main product, DIZO Gopods D. It's quite compact and easy to catch in hand. This is okay. In hand feel is good. It's lightweight and the plastic used is of a good quality, not like the other ones. These are the Gopods, the main product. We have a sticker here, and this is I think to prevent charging when it was packed. So these are the pods. This is the left one. So let's quickly remove all the stickers and watch. Also, these Gopods will be connected from Realme app, and we can track each and everything, and we can adjust the volume, quality, equalizer I mean. These are very light, I think around 4 gram or 4.5 grams. And really I feel it's worth the money which I have given. I'll tell you the money. So let's put it in the box and look if there is any indication. I don't think so there is any LED in the pods. We have just one LED for the charging indicator over here. So yeah, this was a quick unboxing of Realme DIZO Gopods D, which are just like the old Realme Q pods. So let me test it and know your queries in the comment box below. So if you like the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.